Welcome to Simple Forex and thank you for the love that you guys have shown to the last video. All I want to do is make things easier for you. Now the point has come where I can say I told you so. Remember I told you that the moment around 11th of December up till 10th of January there is a very low volume. In these low volume times you will see movement that is almost without any reason, just like the moment we saw yesterday. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart, and this is the moment I'm talking about. Okay, this particular moment that I'm talking about. See, there was no reason for this moment. This moment was almost of 50 pips, and there was literally no reason for it. I know your news channel must have told you something, but news channels are pretty good at making up things. As a matter of fact, I have been trading since 2009 and I have found them extremely capable of making up things. They are best in Monday morning quarterbacking. They will not tell you before the moment that it is going to happen, but it happens. They will find a reason to tell you so that you don't think that they are an idiot. But they are. They are just idiot working at idiot box. Anyways, we'll not spend time in those. We'll talk about things that matters. Now, yesterday I told you that this is the range. This is the range in the small charts up till 15 minutes, and this is the bigger range for 1 hour chart. Okay. So since most of you are a daily trader, I guess, so I'll stay here right now. This is the range I told you. Mostly what happens, and I want you to remember this. Mostly what happens as soon as a range. One thing that I yesterday told you, that whenever you see things like that, the uptrend and then sideways movement, I told you that range will be broken on the upside. That exactly what happened, right? But here is the point where I caution you. Now let's spread it like it is. So remember, this was the range. This was the range. Now it has been broken. So what should happen? This point 1.6819 should become the support. As you can see, it has already worked as a support this time, right? This should become the support, and every time there is some weakness in the chart, it should come here and take the strength, okay, and go up and up. Usually this should happen, and I would have told you if we were talking in the month of February or March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and even in earlier December. But as I told you, this moment happened almost because of without any reason. Still, my point of view is that once the range is broken, chart will try to remain above that range. Okay? My point of view is that. But in the end of the year, where market is trading in extremely low volumes, sometimes you see these range breaks turn out to be false breaks. What do you mean? What do I mean by that? I mean that it can also come back and retrace everything from here to here, retrace everything and come here. Okay. What are the chances of it? There are almost 30% chances of it. 70% chances are still that it will remain above that if it is a real breakout. Now, let's go to the bigger chart. This is a daily chart. Okay. Even here, it clearly looks like that it has broken the range. So immediate target, okay, if we assume that range has been broken, and there is a breakout and it should go up, then what should be the target? Target should be this. Okay, you can see this bulge. This bulge value is from 1.1692, sorry, 1.16861, from 1.16157. That means around 70 pips, right? So target should also be 70 pip. So in next 500 pip, you will see this resistance, and then almost in 800 pips, sorry, 80 pips, in next 30 pips you will see this resistance, and next 80 pips you will see this resistance. So if there is a real breakout, then it should go at least till here. Okay, 1.17714. After that we'll think about it. Okay, now for a daily chart, over, until and unless daily chart is in, extremely near to support or resistance, you should not have any, watch over it. Anyways, one interesting thing that I'm watching in daily chart is this pattern called double bottom. Okay, this is double bottom, this is bottom number 1, this is bottom number 2, and target of double bottom. And since the bulge has been broken, that means for a long term, if this breakout is a real breakout, the for long term, what should be your goal? The least bottom we will take, that is around 1.14888. Okay, let's say it is 1.15, and then next is 1.165. Let's say it is 1.16500. That means 150 pips. That means next target should be around here if you are taking a trade for a longer term horizon. That should be 1.1800. Okay, and you can see the around that, and just before that, 20 pips before that, there are several resistance. Okay, so this range has been broken, but this range is still strict. Okay, so whatever the range, if market is behaving sideways, it will go with the previous movement side, that is uptrend. Okay, so this is for 11th of December. If you have any question, write it in a comment section. We will move on from here. Okay, let's go back. It's a 5-minute chart. As I told you, if this is a false thing, it will retrace everything today. But if it is a real thing, then from here you can see a new upside. Okay, if you want me to cover anything else, let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, I wish you guys all the luck. Yeah, one more thing, you guys already know that there are two news today, right? At 1:30 p.m. GMT time, there is initial jobless claim. Please note down that time. That can be important for you. For this particular chart, that is a very good trigger point, right? You will know the strength of this breakout at that time. And then again, there is 30-year bond auction at 5 p.m. GMT. You don't have to mind it that much. I know it's important news, but in Euro USD chart, it doesn't affect that much. Okay. Sometimes people ask me, should we have a dollar chart apart from it? Yes, you can have a dollar chart. That will be little bit helpful. But thing is that dollar chart is a lagging chart to Euro USD chart. Okay. So yes, you can get some kind of a strength from that, but you don't need it. All you need is these two charts. Oh, sorry, this chart. Okay. Anyways, let me know if you have a question. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care.